Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and today we're going to be talking about the new Leyton House Charcoal Blonding Lightning Cream. Give you up to 8 levels of lift and you can still use it with your 4.5% or your 7.5%. This product is designed to go on scalp at a 1:2 mixing ratio, in highlights at a 1:1.5 mixing ratio, or for freehand work such as balayage at a 1:1 mixing ratio. If using it on scalp, we recommend only using 3% or the 4.5%. Now the new charcoal ABC will give you up to 8 levels of lift and it has its vegan formulation as well as the almond oil to protect the scalp. Now the charcoal works to remove impurities out of the hair, and this means with the impurities gone, the developer is far more effective in the lifting process. This also means if you use it with your 4.5% or your 7.5%, which have a built-in violet pigment, the violet pigment can now work even more effectively to neutralize out unwanted tone. Now of course you can use it with your 3%, 6% or the 9%, but you lose this tonal effect that's built into the other developers. Now personally I love this product and it is my favourite out of the Lightning range. I think it gives you such versatility whilst being able to protect and maintain the hair's structure. Whilst this micro pigment built into the 4.5 and 7.5% is absolutely outstanding at giving you a beautifully clean colour. 9 times out of 10 you don't need to tone afterwards. Of course with the amazing liquid jewels range you're probably going to want to, as clients these days are far more experimental, and I know from seeing your pictures on the Leyton House support page and on Instagram you're doing some amazing work out there. So the new charcoal lightener is due for release in July and I want to see your pictures all over the support page and on Instagram, so don't forget to tag us.